So welcome guys, this is 18050 converted to DTF and we have this on UV DTF also. So no need to buy printer from China now. You can assemble your own dedicated DTF printer. So these are all the parts that we will be shipping to you and you will assemble these parts to make this printer. So the first is capping unit. This is also modified. You can do it or we can supply you the capping unit. This is head holder. This one. This is also part of head. This is a driver for the motor that we'll be using. Alright, this is forward, reverse, the pickup motor. This is the roller. This is a control board for auto head cleaning. So this printer has auto head cleaning function. I have already explained it to you. You have the auto head cleaner here. You can set the timer and no need of ink circulation, no need of head cleaning, frequent head cleanings and all. So we will be supplying you along with all the necessary cables, everything. You just need a modified board of Epson L18050 or 8050. You can just buy 8050 and you can modify the board also. This is our main module. This is a power supply. This is a vacuum. This is a capping liquid suction motor. These are the pickup rollers. Everything is designed and developed. This is a rail on which the head moves. This one. I'll be sending you a complete video. Like once you get the printer, this is the base. These are the side panels like this. And that's it. This is hardly a package of like very small package it is. So whenever I sell you the complete assembly, we will be sending you all of these things together along with a complete video and the diagram how to assemble this printer, and anybody can do it easily. Just make sure we don't sell it to direct customers. We sell it to only B2B business. Only and only B2B. If you are a customer, if you are an end user, we can sell you the complete printer. We will not give you the parts. So you cannot buy one. You have to buy at least 2, 3, 4 sets. Then only we will be able to provide you with the solution. And this, as you can see, this comes here. This is an output. Okay. So we have two different options. You can work it on UV DTF also and DTF also. So UV DTF will be having the lights here, the curing lights here. I'll make a separate video for it. So that's it. If you need this, you can connect me on WhatsApp. We'll be sending you these parcels. We can ship it to you by DHL Air. Thank you.